Hey everyone, Jason from Makera here with another Makera Studio tutorial. And in this quick one, we're going to talk about the importance of previewing your CNC projects before manufacturing them. So, as you can see, I have a super simple 3-axis CNC project here where I'm creating a top clamp using a series of operations, a couple pockets, contours, etc. And you can see that I can see my toolpath here with my toolpath lines in my CNC project. And oftentimes we might stop here and just start machining it, but we can do slightly better. We can inspect this to make sure that it looks as it should when it's cut using this preview button. Now, we really encourage this, so much so that if you haven't previewed your project and you click send to machine, you're going to be warned, hey, you haven't previewed it, why don't you preview it first? And again, we really recommend that you do this, so let's press preview. This allows you to preview all of your operations or just one of them if you just want to test one of them out. And then we'll give you a 3-dimensional view of what this looks like as you're going to machine it. So you'll see your stock material that you're working with. You can choose to show or hide this material if you want. You'll see your cutting tool, and this tool will change shape depending on the type of tool that you're using, V-bit, flat end bit, ball nose bit, etc. And if you want, you can also enable your model. And this can be really handy as it will show you the difference between what your model is and what's actually being cut out of the material. And you can also display your toolpath. But for the sake of demonstration, let me hide the toolpath, hide the model, and just click play. And you'll see this is going to start to go ahead and machine it at 1x speed. If you want to speed this up, you can change the playback speed here to speed up the preview to make this a little bit easier to view and see a long project more quickly. But again, this is showing you exactly what your CNC is going to do as it creates your part, all the different operations and things like that, and allows you to preview if you're going to run into any issues. And right off the bat, you can see I have a major issue. I am cutting through my stock and nothing is holding this part in place. So this part's actually going to fly right out there, nothing's holding that, and that could cause my bit to break and could certainly ruin my part and my stock material. So a really handy thing that I just caught in this preview. Let's click exit preview and let's see why. For whatever reason, I'm cutting really deep past my stock. That's not what I want. So let's go ahead into this 3D contour settings, and I accidentally had an end depth offset of 5 millimeters instead of 0.5 millimeters. My mistake. So I'm going to recalculate that. That looks a little bit better. And you know what? Let me re-preview this as well, just to make sure that this looks as it should. We'll speed this up and push play and just check this out. Now this is one of those cases where perhaps I could have just previewed just that last toolpath, because in reality that's all I changed, and I was pretty happy with my first couple toolpaths here. But nonetheless, let's just make sure that this now has some tabs to hold my part in, and that I'm not going to cut right past my stock material into my spoil board. That looks a little better, but you know what? These tabs don't look very strong and sturdy. So that's something I might actually want to fine tune again. So preview, really important, and it works for all types of projects that you're working with, whether it's a relief such as this, as well as previewing your 4th-axis projects too. And again, it's a really important step for successful CNC projects before machining. Stay tuned for more on our YouTube channel and Wiki site, and thanks for watching.